The concept of time is a fundamental aspect of our everyday experience, and it plays a crucial role in our understanding of the world. However, the nature of time has been a subject of philosophical and scientific debate for centuries. While it is an intriguing idea to consider that time may never have existed, it is essential to approach this topic with caution and recognize the current scientific understanding. In physics, time is often described as the fourth dimension, along with the three spatial dimensions. According to the prevailing view in physics, time is a fundamental aspect of the universe, and it emerged with the Big Bang, the event that marked the beginning of our known universe. Time is believed to be an intrinsic part of the fabric of spacetime, which is the framework within which all physical events occur. However, it is important to note that our understanding of time is based on our current scientific models and theories, which are continually evolving as our knowledge expands. The nature of time is still an active area of research, particularly in fields such as quantum gravity and cosmology, where scientists are striving to develop a more comprehensive understanding of the fundamental nature of the universe. Some theories, such as certain interpretations of quantum mechanics or certain cosmological models, raise the possibility of time being a more complex or emergent phenomenon rather than a fundamental one. These ideas suggest that the flow of time may not be as straightforward as our everyday experience would suggest. However, they do not necessarily imply that time never existed at all. Ultimately, the question of whether time truly exists or not may remain a philosophical and scientific mystery for the foreseeable future. Our current understanding and the body of scientific evidence available suggest that time is an intrinsic aspect of the universe, but our comprehension of its nature continues to evolve as we delve deeper into the mysteries of the cosmos.